Hello everyone. In question number 4, we have to solve that without actually performing the long division. We have to find 987 upon 10500, 10,500 will have terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. And we have to give reason for our answer. First of all, we have understood that whatever rational number we have to cancel it and come to the lowest fraction. When I am talking the lowest fraction, so here the denominator can be further divided into factors, and this can be written as 3 into 7 into 5. This is basically 105. 3 into 7, 21 into 5, 105 multiplied by 10 and 10, or 2 into 5 and 2 into 5. So this is the factors of 10500. When we are talking about the factors of 987, so first of all we are dividing it by 3, it becomes 329, then divided by 7, we get 47 as the remainder. So this can be written as the lowest form of fraction, or the factors of 987 and 10,500. In this we can cancel out 3 by 3 and 7 by 7. In the denominator, we have the factors except 2 and 5, but they are cancelled by the numerator. So this can further be written as 47 upon 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5, or 47 upon 500. Now, as we have cancelled out 3 and 7, so in the denominator, there are only the factors of 2 and 5. And we already know that if in case there are the factors of 2 and 5 only in the denominator, in the lowest factor, then this is known as terminating decimal. So here 987 upon 10500 is a terminating decimal. The next question is, write the decimal expansion of the following numbers which have terminating decimal expansion. We already know that if the denominator is terminating, then it is easy to write out the expansion. If it is non-terminating, then it is very difficult and we have to divide actually. Here we are writing 17 upon 8. This can be written as 17 upon 2 cube, because 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So this is very clear that this is terminating decimal. When it is 13 upon 3125, it can be written as 13 upon 5 to the power 5. It is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Again, this is a terminating decimal. 7 upon 80 can be written as 7 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1. Again, this is known as terminating decimal. When it is 6 upon 15, this can be cancelled out by 3. It is 2 upon 5. In the denominator, again it is 5, so it is terminating decimal. Here it is very clear that this is terminating decimal. When we talk about 237 upon 1500, we have to find the factors first of all. If we divide it by 3, it becomes 3, 7 are 21, and this is 27, so 3 into 79 is 237. In the denominator, it is 3 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. When we are writing the lowest fraction, 3 can be cancelled out by 3. It is 79 upon 500. Now we have converted it. We know that all of them are terminating decimal expansion. If we want to solve this, then there are two methods. One is divide 17 by 8 and solve it. Another can be that we multiply 5 cube in the numerator and 5 cube in the denominator. Because once we are multiplying by so many 5s as the 2's are there, so 2 into 5 will make 1 0. So 3 2's and 3 5's will make 3 zeros. So this can be written as 17 into 125 upon 1000. And 17 into 125 can be done, and when there is 1000 in the denominator, we cancel it out and put our decimal place here. So we can convert it into the decimal expansion. So in this case, again either we divide or we multiply it by 2 to the power 5 in the numerator as well as 2 to the power 5 in the denominator. So when it is 13 upon into 32 upon 5 zeros. When I multiply it, it becomes 13 to the 26. Carry 2, 13, 3 are 39 and 2 41. Upon 5 zeros, if we cancel it, it comes out to be 0.00416. So it is always easier to multiply by so many 2's and 5's instead of dividing it by the long division. When I am writing 7 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1, this can be multiplied by 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 1 upon 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 1. Because in the denominator there are 2 5 2's and 5 5's. Or already you know that 1 2 and 1 5 will make 1 0. So instead of this, we can also put it like 7 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1 multiplied by 5q and 5q in the numerator as well as denominator. So this will come out to be 7 into 125, which is 875 upon this will come out to be 1 with 4 zeros. If we cancel 1 with 4 zeros, we will put a decimal place, so it is 0.0875. The correct answer upon 7 upon 80. 2 upon 5 is very simple, or we can multiply by 2 upon 2, it becomes 4 upon 10, where the correct answer is 0.4. Again, if it is 2 to the power 2 into 7 upon 5 to the power 4, it's better that we multiply by 2 to the power 4 in the numerator and 2 to the power 4 in the denominator. It comes out to be 16 into 4 into 7 upon 4 zeros. And when we solve it, it is 16 into 4 is 64. 64 multiplied by 7 comes out to be 8, 2 and 44. So 448 upon 4 zeros, which is 0.0448. So this is the easier way of solving the question of terminating decimal. When I am saying 79 upon 500, directly we multiply 2 upon 2. It becomes 158 upon 1000. If we cancel it out, the decimal place will be here. So the correct answer is 0.158. So this way we can find the decimal expansion of all the numbers which are decimal terminating decimals. And we already know how to find out the terminating decimal and how to know that the decimal is terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. Thank you. In the next class, we will talk about question number 6 and all. Thank you.